The Graco FastAction Jogger LX stroller is designed with a unique folding mechanism that allows it to be folded in a single second with just one hand, making it incredibly convenient for busy parents. This stroller is compatible with infant car seats, transforming effortlessly into a lightweight carrier, which is ideal for parents who are constantly on the move. It offers a comfortable ride for your child with its multi-position reclining seat, adjustable handle, and smooth all-terrain rubber tires that ensure stability and maneuverability. The stroller includes a child-friendly tray equipped with a cup holder, allowing easy access to snacks and drinks during outings. Ample storage is provided with a large basket that holds both child and parent essentials, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. The large canopy with a peekaboo window offers excellent shade and visibility, keeping your child protected from the elements while allowing you to keep an eye on them.